What are we doing in Bio120 lab this week? Well, I want to make sure everyone knows that those videos about how to do things and how to navigate the Canvas page are still available for you right here on the home screen of the Bio120 lab Canvas page. And the most important thing to know is to go to lab modules. Should you pay attention to this? No. Okay? I don't know how this particular set of assignments comes up, but I'm not setting it up. So how do you know what you're supposed to do? Well, every lab module is going to tell you what is due that week. If it's on this week, it is due by August 28th at midnight. Okay? That's how you know. If you want to set up your own schedule on your phone, use these modules as your guides. And there's stuff due every week, and you will always know what it is. And oh my gosh, look at all the stuff that's due this week. Well, let's start with this, the scientific method quiz. You will be taking a quiz this week on the scientific method, which is a concept that you studied last week, right? This quiz is due midnight, August 28th, and it will be open for 48 hours. So it becomes available really late at night on Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Okay, great. Now, what about this week? What are we doing? We're actually doing two things. We're doing cells and organelles, but we're also doing mitosis. For the quiz you will be taking in week 3, about 5 of the 12 questions are on cells and organelles, and I think 7 are on mitosis. So that'll give you a guideline. Now, what do we have here? These links, cells and organelles, mitosis video, these are links to videos by Amoeba Sisters. I really like Amoeba Sisters. I think they're fun. But you don't have to watch any of these things. However, it's kind of hard to do well in the class if you don't. These are my lectures on the concepts of cells, organelles, and mitosis. Some people like to watch mine, which are kind of longer and more dragged out, and then watch the Amoeba Sister one. I'll leave it up to you. There's some stuff for you to read, right? And then there is your actual lab activity. And in this lab activity, we're going to be using a program called SymBio. SymBio. Well, probably the first thing you should do when you need to do SymBio is you may want to click on the link. And when you click on this link to SymBio, you will look at this and you will say, this does not seem very useful to me. Because when you go to next, it goes to the quiz, and the quiz is not available to you. So, alrighty. So what are we going to do? What we're going to do is 2 things. One thing is watch this short video. Now, when you go to this video, it takes you here to this sad page that says it won't connect. I'm trying to solve that problem. I haven't found a solution to that problem yet, except if you go up here to the gray bar and click, it'll actually connect you to the video. And this video is a great video because it was created by the people who sold us the SymBio technology. So watch the videos. It's less than 4 minutes long. Terrific. Now, what else do I need to do? The next thing I would recommend that you do is go look in your email, and you're looking for an email that says you do not need to purchase SymBio. Today, I sent you 2 emails. I apologize for that. I thought the email that was automatically sent from SymBio had more specificity than it did. You do not need to spend any money on SymBio. This has been purchased through the college. So you just need to use this registration link. But before you do that, please read all of this information. You want to check to make sure that the technology you're using is compatible with SymBio. You need to download the installers. Then you subscribe. Then for some reason, you got to go back into this portal, okay? And if you need an access key, the access key is right here in the email. Terrific. All righty. Now, that'll take you to something that looks kind of like this. This particular lab activity has got 6 different sections that you'll be doing. You should just work through them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did them all together, but it took me, okay, it'll take you longer than it took me anyway, so it doesn't matter, right? I should let you know that 1, 2, and 3 are very important. Number 4, there are no quiz questions that need you to have mastered number 4, but number 4 puts together the concepts of mitosis with concepts of cancer. So it's kind of an interesting one. Section 5, there are no questions for you to answer in section 5. Those are your study aids. And make sure before you go to the graded questions that you review all of the study aids one more time before you go to the graded questions. How will you get points for completing the lab this week? As you go through each section, there are going to be questions for you to answer. I want you to notice that there is a gray bar here, a slider bar, because sometimes the questions that you're required to answer are, you have to slide down the bar in order to get to those questions. You will get points just for answering those questions, whether you got them right or not. You will get points for answering them. And then at the very end, there are graded questions. And those you only get the points for them if you answer them correctly. Here's an important tip. Do you see this little box right here? I'm circling it. It says questions. Let's click on questions. It'll take me to question progress. I want you to notice that all of these questions here, the boxes are kind of a dark gray. If I would have skipped one of the questions, then it would be kind of a silvery gray. Okay? So if it was silvery gray, and if I clicked on that particular question that I hadn't answered yet, it would take me to the question so I could answer it and get complete points. Okay, I do not know where everything went just now. All right, so that's what you'll be doing this week. I think we have got, using this technology called SimBio for three other labs. And I think you'll enjoy it. Don't forget, start early because there could be many glitches with using this new technology. And if you start late on Friday night, there's no time to fix them. And I'm no longer providing extensions to anyone, okay? Not even with the point penalty that I've been imposing. And if you get it started earlier, then if you've got questions, you can come to my Zoom office hours. Where are the Zoom office hours? Go here to the home screen, and you will see that I am available on Zoom Monday 4 to 5, Tuesday 3 to 4, Friday 10 to 11. And if you get your stuff done and you've got your question available, I can actually walk you through how to do things, right? If you wait until it's almost due on Friday night, you're on your own. Bye.